Welcome. Here the shocking story. A shocking story has come from Kogi State. A 21-year-old mother named Miriam Montar has been arrested for killing her neighbor, a man named Ahmed Isakola, on October 23, 2025. Police said Miriam is in custody while they continue to investigate. According to witnesses, Ahmed was a neighbor and a friend of Miriam's husband. That morning, Ahmed asked Miriam to help him carry a jerrycan of water to his apartment. Miriam agreed and went to help. Once inside, Ahmed locked the door and tried to force Miriam to have sex. He also had a knife and threatened her. Miriam was scared for her life. When Ahmed dropped the knife, Miriam grabbed it and stabbed him in the neck. He died from the injury. Neighbor heard screaming and ran into the apartment. They found Ahmed lying in a pool of blood. Miriam ran out and told the police what happened. Her husband also reported the incident. Some people in Ahmed's family say the story is not clear, but neighbors say Miriam was only helping him carry water and went there to help not to cause trouble. Police are investigating to see if Miriam acted in self-defense. This story has made people talk about women's safety and how they can protect themselves. We will follow this story and update you on what happened to Miriam. What do you think? Should Miriam be considered a victim or should she face punishment? Write your opinion in the comment.